说我拽，我很快乐。被别人说我坏，说坏我不反驳。别孤独往死里拽，越拽我越不多。老天爷早安排，我也。
Welcome to Cool Chinese Course 2. I'm very glad to see you in this course again. Then what are you going to learn from Cool Chinese Course 2? You're going to learn more advanced aspects of Chinese grammar. And the following is just some representative example expressions you're going to learn from this course. You're going to practice the advanced aspects of Chinese grammar with abundant expressions like the ones you have just seen. Plus, you're going to learn 3 basic verbs that are work, learn, and read, and then practice a lot of possible representative variations derived from the grammar you have learned. So, the total number of expressions you're going to practice from this course is 1241. By the end of the course, you'll be able to express almost all the variations in Chinese covered in an English-based grammar. You'll be able to automatically remember how Chinese sentences is constructed and have confidence that you can make basic expressions in Chinese by yourself.